New York City, a place where dreams take flight and the cityscape lights up the night. This is not just a city, it's a living, breathing entity. It's a dance of lights and shadows, a symphony of sounds that never ends. From the early morning clamor of the stock exchange to the late-night jazz in a hidden speakeasy, it's a city that is always awake, always alive. In the heart of this metropolis beats a vibrant culture, a blend of traditions, languages, and cuisines from across the globe. It's a city where you can have bagels for breakfast, tacos for lunch, and sushi for dinner, all without leaving your block. It's a place where you can hear 100 languages just by walking down a single street. This cultural melting pot is part of the city's lifeblood, infusing it with an energy that is palpable, electrifying. And that energy, that hustle and bustle, is what gives New York City its title, the city that never sleeps. It's a place where dreams are chased relentlessly, where the pace of life is as rapid as the subway trains that never stop running. It's a city where the promise of a better tomorrow keeps everyone moving, keeps everyone striving. Each neighborhood, each street, each building in this city has a tale to tell. From the iconic skyscrapers that reach for the stars to the humble brownstones that line the streets, every brick and stone is steeped in history. It's a city where every corner holds a story, a city where every landmark has a tale of its own. So, come along with us as we take you on a journey through the heart of this city, exploring the best places to visit in New York City. Welcome to Global Travel Venture. From the majestic Statue of Liberty to the serene Central Park, we'll uncover the stories behind these iconic landmarks, stories that capture the spirit of this city, a city that never sleeps, where every corner holds a story and every landmark a tale of its own. Emerging from the waters, she stands tall, the Statue of Liberty, a symbol of hope and freedom. As we turn the pages of history, we find that this majestic lady has been a silent witness to countless tales of courage and perseverance. The Statue of Liberty, a colossal neoclassical sculpture, was a gift from the people of France to the United States in the late 19th century. The statue, conceived and designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, stands on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, welcoming visitors, immigrants, and returning Americans. The statue's construction was a feat of engineering. Her copper skin, a mere 2 pennies thick, was assembled piece by piece over a skeleton of steel. The flame in her torch, originally solid copper and later gilded with gold leaf, shines brightly as a symbol of enlightenment. The tablet she holds in her left hand bears the date of American independence in Roman numerals, July 4, 1776, a testament to the enduring spirit of freedom. The broken chains at her feet represent the abolition of slavery, an important chapter in American history. The Statue of Liberty isn't just a monument, she's a beacon, a symbol of hope, a promise of freedom to those yearning to breathe free. She has welcomed millions of immigrants arriving by sea, their hearts filled with dreams and hopes for a better life. There's an anecdote about Emma Lazarus, the poet whose words are inscribed on the statue's pedestal. When she first saw the statue's torch in Paris, she was so moved that she penned The New Colossus, a poem that immortalized the statue as the Mother of Exiles. This towering lady has seen the transformation of New York City, from horse-drawn carriages to the bustle of yellow cabs, from the humble beginnings of Wall Street to its rise as a global financial hub. The Statue of Liberty, a beacon of hope, standing tall, ushering in millions to the land of dreams. Rising above the cityscape, the Empire State Building, a testament to human achievement. It's a marvel of architecture and engineering that has stood the test of time. This Art Deco skyscraper, reaching an impressive height of 1,453 feet, is a symbol of New York City's grandeur, and a landmark recognized around the globe. The Empire State Building's magnificent design is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a masterful blend of function and form, a testament to the ingenuity and vision of its architects, Shreve, Lamb, and Harmon. The building's tiered structure, tapering towards the sky, creates a dynamic silhouette that has become synonymous with the New York skyline. But the beauty of the Empire State Building isn't confined to its exterior. Step inside, and you're greeted by an opulent lobby adorned with stunning murals, marble finishes, and brass fittings, all paying homage to the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Further up, the observation decks on the 86th and 102nd floors offer panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. From here you can see the vast urban landscape unfurling beneath you, a sight that has captivated millions over the decades. The Empire State Building's construction in the early 1930s was a feat of human endeavor. Despite the Great Depression, over 3,000 workers labored tirelessly to erect this towering edifice in just over a year, a speed unprecedented for its time. This astonishing achievement is a testament to the resilience and ambition of the human spirit. The Empire State Building's influence extends beyond its architectural significance. It has been immortalized in countless films, TV shows, and works of literature, securing its place in popular culture. From King Kong's infamous ascent to the heartfelt moments of Sleepless in Seattle, this iconic building has been the backdrop for some of the most memorable scenes in cinematic history. The Empire State Building, an icon that defines the city, standing as a symbol of ambition and aspiring dreams. It's a beacon that reminds us of what we can achieve when we dare to reach for the stars. At the heart of the city, Times Square, where the city's pulse beats the loudest. Times Square is not just a square. It's a spectacle. It's a place that encapsulates what New York City is all about: lights, energy, dynamism, and a ceaseless sense of wonder. It's where the city's pulse beats the loudest, radiating an energy that's palpable, even intoxicating. This vibrant hub, often dubbed as the crossroads of the world, is more than just a tourist magnet. It's a symbol of the city's indomitable spirit, an ever-buzzing hive of activity where cultures merge and dreams are made and pursued. From the glowing billboards that paint the night sky to the throngs of people that flood the sidewalks every day, Times Square is a spectacle that never fails to captivate. Consider this: Times Square wasn't always the neon-lit wonderland we know today. It was once a horse trading market, then a theater district, and now it's one of the most visited tourist attractions in the world. It's a testament to the city's ability to reinvent itself time and time again. And let's not forget the role it plays as an entertainment hub. It's home to Broadway, the beating heart of the American theater scene. The stories told here have the power to move, inspire, and entertain, and the performances are nothing short of world-class. But perhaps the most magical moment Times Square offers unfolds on New Year's Eve. With the descent of the iconic ball, people from all corners of the world come together to bid the old year goodbye and welcome the new one, united in celebration and hope. It's a tradition that goes back over 100 years, a testament to the enduring allure of this remarkable place. So, whether it's the dazzling lights, the pulsating energy, the rich history, or the wealth of entertainment options, Times Square has something for everyone. It's a place where the city's heart beats the loudest, a place that embodies the essence of New York City. Times Square, the heartbeat of New York City, where the city's energy is most palpable. Amidst the concrete jungle, a breath of fresh air, Central Park, the city's green heart. This sprawling oasis, covering an impressive 843 acres, is not just a park, but a masterpiece of landscape architecture. It's a place where the city's noise fades into the rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds, where skyscrapers are replaced by towering trees and the honking of traffic gives way to the laughter of children. Central Park, a marvel in its own right, is the brainchild of architects Frederick Law Olmsted and Calvert Vaux. Its design, a testament to their genius, is so intricate and thought out that it feels like a natural landscape. But in reality, every lake, hill, and woodland has been deliberately placed. True to its design, Central Park offers a variety of activities that cater to every age and interest. From the serenity of the Conservatory Garden, a 6-acre formal garden in the park's northeastern corner, to the excitement of the Central Park Carousel, one of the largest merry-go-rounds in the United States. There's the famous Central Park Zoo, home to an array of exotic creatures, and the iconic Bethesda Fountain, a favorite spot for movie scenes and marriage proposals. But Central Park is not just about attractions and activities, it's about stories and history. Did you know that the park was once home to a village of African Americans and Irish immigrants? Or that the park's sheep meadow was actually graced by a flock of sheep until the mid-20th century? And speaking of the unexpected, Central Park is also a host to many surprises. Hidden amidst its greenery is a Shakespeare garden, a 4-acre landscape featuring plants mentioned in the Bard's plays. And then there's Belvedere Castle, a fairy tale-like structure offering panoramic views of the park and the city's skyline. Central Park, an oasis in the city, a place to pause and breathe in the midst of the city's ceaseless rhythm. It's a testament to New York's spirit, a place where nature and urban life exist in harmony, a place where every path leads to a new adventure. Connecting hearts and boroughs, the Brooklyn Bridge, a symbol of unity and resilience. Let's travel back in time to the late 19th century, to the year 1869. This was when construction of the Brooklyn Bridge began. It was a colossal task, a project that was to take 14 long years, with its fair share of challenges. This iconic structure was the brainchild of John Augustus Roebling, a German immigrant and a visionary engineer. Sadly, Roebling didn't live to see his dream come to fruition. He suffered a fatal accident before the construction began, yet the torch was passed to his son, Washington Roebling, who carried forward his father's blueprint to create this architectural marvel. The Brooklyn Bridge was no ordinary feat. It was a marvel of engineering and a testament to human resilience. It was the longest suspension bridge of its time, stretching across the East River to connect the boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn. The construction was fraught with danger. Workers known as sandhogs risked their lives diving deep into the river to lay the foundations. Many succumbed to a condition known as the bends. Even Washington Roebling was not spared and was left partially paralyzed, observing the bridge's completion from his apartment through a telescope. But let's not forget the unsung hero of this tale, Emily Roebling, Washington's wife. She stepped into the breach and became the de facto chief engineer, ensuring the bridge's completion in 1883. Today, the Brooklyn Bridge stands as a symbol of unity, resilience, and innovation. It's more than just a bridge, it's a testament to the human spirit's indomitable will to overcome adversity. Every day, thousands of pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles traverse its span, a palpable connection between two of New York's most vibrant boroughs. So, the next time you find yourself stepping onto the wooden promenade or gazing at the Gothic towers of the Brooklyn Bridge, remember the stories, the lives, and the history that resonate in its cables and stone. The Brooklyn Bridge, a testament to human resilience, standing strong, bridging gaps, and connecting hearts. New York City, a place where dreams take shape, where every landmark holds a tale. As we have journeyed through the heart of this city, we've witnessed the grandeur of its landmarks, each one a testament to the city's vibrant history and diverse culture. Each one a chapter in the city's unfolding story, inviting us to become a part of it. We began our adventure at the Statue of Liberty, the beacon of freedom and hope, standing tall in the New York harbor. This majestic lady, a gift from France, has been welcoming newcomers to the city for well over a century. Her torch, a symbol of enlightenment, illuminates the New York skyline, reminding us of the promise of new beginnings. Next, we soared to the dizzying heights of the Empire State Building. This iconic skyscraper, once the tallest in the world, offers a panoramic view of the city, a sight that leaves one breathless. From its observation decks, we experience the city's pulsating energy, its ceaseless rhythm, its endless possibilities. We then immersed ourselves in the vibrant energy of Times Square, the crossroads of the world, its dazzling billboards, its bustling crowds, its eclectic mix of shops, theaters, and eateries, all creating a spectacle that is uniquely New York. Here, every moment is a celebration, every corner a stage, every passerby a performer. Our journey took us through the serene expanse of Central Park, an oasis in the midst of the city's hustle and bustle. With its verdant landscapes, charming bridges, and tranquil lakes, the park is a haven for nature lovers and city dwellers alike. It's a place that reminds us to pause, to breathe, to connect with nature amidst our urban existence. Finally, we crossed the historic Brooklyn Bridge, a marvel of 19th century engineering. Connecting Manhattan and Brooklyn, this bridge has been a silent witness to the city's changing skyline. As we walked its pedestrian path, we were treated to stunning views of the city, a testament to the indomitable spirit of New York. Each landmark, each place we visited, has its own unique charm, its own tale to tell. They are the threads that weave the vibrant tapestry of New York City. A city that is as diverse as it is dynamic, as historic as it is forward-looking. And so, as we conclude this journey, we leave you with this. New York City is more than just a collection of landmarks. It's a city of dreams, a city of stories, a city that invites you to be a part of its narrative. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, there's always something new to discover, always a new story to tell. New York City, a city of dreams, a city of stories, a city waiting to share its tales with you. Until next time, safe travels.